Hello my dear learners, how are you? Welcome to Hawarkonda Sunamganj Online School. On behalf of this page, this is Priyanka Dash, Assistant Teacher, Nandgaon Government Primary School, Doirabazar, Sunamganj. At first, I would like to thank all of the viewers, all of the students, all of the respected teachers and all of the honorable guardians for staying with me and enjoying my class. My little learners, I hope all of you are very fine, but we are feeling too much bored, isn't it? Yes, for staying at home, we are feeling bored and we are feeling disturbed because we can't go to outside, we can't go to school, we can't play. Though our school is off, but now there is no summer vacation or winter vacation or any other vacation, usually festival vacation or others vacation. We have no these types of vacation, but we are spending our time like the time of vacation. So my dear learners, usually what do we do in our vacation? Yes, we usually visit so many places, so many historical places or any other places for enjoying our time, enjoying our vacation time, isn't it? Yes. So, my dear friends, I will show you a picture today. Are you interested to see this, my dear students? Yes, there is a picture for all of you. Can you see this picture? My dear students, can you see this? What is this? Yes, that is the picture of a tea garden. A tea garden. That is the picture of a tea garden. All of us know about tea garden, but we all may not go there. So, have you ever been to a tea garden, my dear friends? Yes, I went so many times to a tea garden. In Sylhet, there are so many tea gardens, isn't it? We know that. Yes, I visited so many times because the natural scenery of a tea garden really impressed me so much, and I feel so much pleasured to go there, to travel there with my relatives, with my friends and with my family members. So, my dear friends, all we know a tea garden. That is a tea garden, isn't it? That is a tea garden. Yes. So, my dear friends, today I come here to take an English class, especially for the student of class 5. So, my dear students of class 5, please be seated in front of me with your textbook, notebook and pen. My dear students, please open your book and open the page number 82. Open the page number 82. All of you, please take your textbook and open the page number 82. Yes, that is the page 82. Today we will read a story. Yes, yes, please follow the activities A. And today our lesson, today our unit is unit 21 and lesson 1. Unit 21, Lesson 1. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, and today we will read a story. All of us like to read story, isn't it? Yes, we like story, we like to read story, we like to listen story. Is it? Yes. So today we will read a story. Our today's lesson is a story, and the title of this story is It Was a Great Day. It was a great day. My dear friends, today's our learning lesson is It was a great day. Okay, my dear friends? Okay. So, my dear friends, let's have a look to me and have a look to your textbook. This is a picture. That is a picture. So, can you know that what is it? My dear friends, what is it? Yes, my dear friends, I think all of you are already known to this. That is the logo of Cup Company, isn't it? That is a logo of Cup Company. We all already know about this. So, now, my dear friends, all of us already know about this logo. The logo is Cup Company's logo. So, what is actually Cup Company? I think you already also know about this. Cup Company actually is a company that is a gathering of cups from different parts of Bangladesh, and Cup is actually a team of the students of actually the children aged between 6 to 11 years, isn't it? Yes, and Cup team is made of the boys and girls aged of 6 to 11 years. Okay, my dear friends, Cup Company actually is a very funny place. Yes, there cups from a place can meet other cups, and they can learn many things attending a Cup Company. Isn't it, my dear students? Okay, and there various games are played among the Cub Scouts groups coming from different parts of Bangladesh. Okay, so there is sung song and recited poem also. So really it's very funny place. Students enjoy a lot in a Cup Company. So now, my dear students, please take your book and listen to me and read with me. And can we start now? Yes, my dear students, we start now. Last January, I went to a Cup Company. It was my first visit to a Cup Company, and it was my first time away from home. A company is a gathering of cups from different parts of Bangladesh. Cubs all over the world have their own campuris. The Cub Campuri took place in Srimangal. To get there, we first travelled from Dhaka to Sylhet. From Sylhet, we took a train to Srimangal. We arrived in the morning, so the weather was nice. We walked to our camp from the train station. Okay, my dear students, we already read 18 lines of the story. Okay, so can you realize something about this story? Yes, this is a story of a traveling spot, especially Cub Campuri. So where is Cub Campuri situated? Yes, my dear students, the Cub Campuri actually is situated in Srimangal. We know Srimangal? You know? Yes, my dear students, all of you are very known to Srimangal. So the Cub Campuri is situated in Srimangal. The Cub Campuri took place in Srimangal. Okay, so read with me again. Again we will read the story, and please read very carefully and loudly with me, and try to guess something, try to realize something of the story. Okay, let me start. Last January I went to a Cub Campuri. It was my first visit to a Cub Campuri, and it was my first time away from home. A Campuri is a gathering of cubs from different parts of Bangladesh. Cubs all over the world have their own campuris. The Cub Campuri took place in Srimangal. To get there, we first travelled from Dhaka to Sylhet. From Sylhet, we took a train to Srimangal. We arrived in the morning, so the weather was nice. We walked to our camp from the train station. Okay, my dear learners, all of us, we can read. So now please share with me. Now we will share our opinions that what could we realize by reading this story. Yes, last January I went to a Cub Campuri. গত জানুয়ারিতে আমি একটি কাপ ক্যাম্পুরিতে গিয়েছিলাম। It was my first visit to a Cub Campuri, and it was my first time away from home. এটা ছিল আমার প্রথম ভ্রমণ একটা কাপ ক্যাম্পুরিতে, এবং এটা ছিল আমার প্রথম বাড়ি থেকে বের হওয়া। A Campuri is a gathering of cubs from different parts of Bangladesh. Campuri কি? হ্যাঁ, Campuri হলো a gathering. Gathering means জড়ো হওয়া। তো কাম্পুরিটা হলো বিভিন্ন কাবের, বিভিন্ন বাংলাদেশের বিভিন্ন অংশ থেকে আসা বিভিন্ন কাবের একসাথে জড়ো হওয়ার একটা জায়গা হলো কাম্পুরি। Cubs all over the world have their own campuris. বিশ্বে যতগুলা কাব আছে প্রত্যেকেরই নিজস্ব একটা কাম্পুরি আছে। The Cub Campuri took place in Srimangal. কাব কাম্পুরিটা শ্রীমঙ্গলে অবস্থিত। To get there, we first travelled from Dhaka to Sylhet. সেখানে যেতে আমরা প্রথমে ভ্রমণ করেছিলাম ঢাকা থেকে সিলেট। from Sylhet we took a train to Srimangol. সিলেট থেকে আমরা শ্রীমঙ্গলের উদ্দেশ্যে ট্রেনে রওনা হয়েছিলাম. We arrived in the morning. আমরা সকালে পৌঁছেছিলাম. So the weather was nice. তাই আবহাওয়াটা ছিল সুন্দর. We walked to our camp from the train station. ট্রেন স্টেশন থেকে আমরা ক্যাম্পে হেঁটে গিয়েছিলাম. সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আশা করি তোমরা এই স্টোরিটার আর প্রথম 18 লাইন বুঝতে পেরেছ. সো নাও প্লিজ you will try to read again and again at your home, and you have to improve your pronunciation skills, your reading skills better, and for this you have to read loudly more and more, and obviously you will read very carefully and try to understand that what can the story say. And now, my dear learners, reading the story, we already finished the reading of first 18 lines. So we just get some difficult words. So can you find difficult words which are which seems very unclear to you? Okay, yes, there is a word gathering. I already discussed to you that gathering. So my dear students, please let's have a look to the board. We found a word gather. Gather. What does it mean? Gather. Gather means assemble, means joro hoa, and another synonym is get together. Yes, get together. Gather means get together. G-E-T, get together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, get together. So my dear students, what is the meaning of gather? Gather means get together, একত্রিত হওয়া. Gather means একত্রিত হওয়া, জড়ো হওয়া, assemble or get together. So gather means get together. We found another word that means different. So different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. I think that you are already known to this word, but I will tell you again. Different. Different means various, বিভিন্ন. Different means various. V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various. Different means various. Different অর্থ হলো বিভিন্ন. আমরা আদারও বলতে পারি. আচ্ছা, তারপরে আরেকটা শব্দ আমরা পেয়েছি arrive. arrive. A-R-R-I-V-E arrive arrive অর্থ হলো পৌঁছা arrive অর্থ পৌঁছা সো আমরা কামও বলতে পারি পৌঁছাও বলতে পারি সো arrive means come and the last a word I found weather weather we are known to this word weather but I will tell you again weather weather অর্থ হলো আবহাওয়া so there is another synonym of weather is atmosphere so we can learn atmosphere weather W-E-A-T-H-E-R weather weather means atmosphere atmosphere A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E atmosphere মানে আবহাওয়া weather means atmosphere weather means atmosphere আবহাওয়া তো আমরা আজকে এই শব্দগুলোর সাথে পরিচিত হলাম gather different arrive weather so gather means get together different means various arrive means come weather means atmosphere so my dear students if you get another difficult words and if the other words seem to you difficult then please make a note to your notebook and you will help the dictionary to get its meaning and you will try to understand the story and knowing more new words will help you to understand your text easily. Now my dear students I think you were clear to the story which we read today so now we will take a homework so are you ready to take your homework yes my dear students thank you so please take your notebook and write down to your notebook we will take a homework so my dear students I will tell you just 2 questions you try to make your answer What is কাপ কামপুরি. What is কাপ কামপুরি? The next one is where is Kap Kampuri situated? Where is Kap Kampuri situated? So my first question is, what is a Kap Kampuri? What is a Kap Kampuri? And my second question is, where is Kap Kampuri situated? প্রথম প্রশ্নটি হলো, what is Kap Kampuri? কাপ কাম্পুরি কি? কাপ কাম্পুরি মানে তুমি কি বুঝো? 2 নম্বর কোয়েশ্চেন হলো, where is কাপ কাম্পুরি situated? কাপ কাম্পুরি কোথায় অবস্থিত? My dear students, I hope that all of you will do this homework very easily. So today we will learn a word. Today our today's one day one word is travel. Travel. My dear students, we found already this word in our today's lesson. So today's our one day one word, and today the word of today is travel. So please write down to your notebook. The word of the day is travel. The word of today is travel. We will learn the word today, travel. T-R-A-V-E-L ট্রাভেল. ট্রাভেল অর্থ হলো ভ্রমণ করা. আমরা ভিজিটও বলতে পারি. সো the synonym word of travel is visit. V-I-S-I-T. visit. travel means visit. আর বাংলায় যদি আমরা বলি তাহলে বলবো ভ্রমণ ভ্রমণ করা. So the word of today is travel. Travel. T-R-A-V-E-L. travel. Travel means visit. V-I-S-I-T. visit. Okay, my dear learners, that's all for today. So please don't go outside without any reason. If you go outside, please you must wear your mask. So stay home, stay safe, and always keep smile, and goodbye.